Hey y'all, I just got parked into a Denny's parking lot tonight. I just got through eating some breakfast for supper, which I love to do. Gonna boondock here tonight, they said it's okay. Wanted to kind of give you a rundown on some of my mods. The main three that I did, the one was a van made gear, and this is what I'm gonna talk about right now. Here's kind of what I did on my Echo, my 2025 Winnebago Echo. This color is sandstone, and as you can tell, it matches really nice with the cabinetry. That's kind of the same color, but a little bit darker. But this fabric looks really good. Simon, the owner, suggested this. I could not decide for sure if I wanted this or if I wanted the color Silver Dust. Silver Dust is more of a light colored gray. I think that would look good too, but we settled on this and I'm really happy with it. I did want to point out a couple things. Back here on the two back windows, the windows are so big, they had to add some little rods. You can kind of see the structure of this rod. It's just a small round rod. There's one there and there's one right there. And what that does, it gives the window blind rigidity. So when you're rolling it down, it doesn't get all, bunched up. It stays straight like it's supposed to and everything. But I wanted to give you all just kind of a sneak peek of this bedroom setup I got here. So there's that one, there's the passenger side. And right here's the one that's right above the sink. Beautiful black trim. This is the dinette set. So I'm gonna set the camera down here. I wanted to show you how I do this. All right, so there's been some questions about the bug screen in the back. Let me show you how this works. So if you want to go down the road and have a little bit of light coming in, you can do that. The easiest thing to do is do this right here. That's not going anywhere. Or you can roll it up like this. There's some toggles back here behind it. I can't see it without my glasses. There's a little toggle right here, as you can tell, kind of bunch it up. That gets you probably more viewability of it, but it also bunches up this right here. It's not a big deal either way. Depends on how you want to do this. Then also, you can go this route. Now this screen is fine enough to where no seams are not supposed to be able to go through here. That's what Simon, the owner, told me. So this way you can open up your window, allow all the fresh air in if you want to. So that's basically how you would do that. So this is with the buck screen and the blind and roll down position. You have full access outside if you want to. I don't know how I'm gonna do this yet. I may kind of try it out from time to time with the window, with the bug net up or down. Depends on the situation, if I'm in a buggy area or not. But I did want to point out one thing that I did not even expect. So we put these in a couple nights ago. The next morning I woke up early and drove out of his parking lot onto the main road and got on the freeway. And I kept looking around my van and in the back here when I was driving, and there was hardly any rattles or squeaks or anything. And I'm just I've had the van now for 10,000 miles. I've become kind of accustomed to the squeaks and everything inside. I'm not saying it got rid of all the squeaks and rattles. I've still got something. I think it's coming from this cabinet right here. Just a little something. It's not bad. It's coming from this area right here though, but I'm trying to track it down. But I'm telling you right now, when I got on the highway, it was noticeably quieter going down the road. And I didn't know my window blinds that were stock were that noisy before. So I'm really happy about that. Also, these blinds are, you can't hardly tell in this picture here, but they are very much more insulated than the stock blinds are. And also, you know, of course, it would keep noise, outside noise to a minimum and everything. If you got trucks and trailers going by and everything, that really helps a lot. So they got a total of 4 different colors: a black, a kind of a moss green, a real nice moss green color, the silver dust, and the sandstone color, which is what I have. But they have them on their websites. I've got pictures I'm going to try to upload as well on this video to show you the different colors in place. But also, I've got one more thing I want to tell you about on this Van Made Gear stuff. I've got the front windshield cover and the driver and passenger side window covers. The reason I wanted to do that, because I really want to, and I'll show you in a minute what I'm talking about. I've got new Shillman seats, and I want to be able to recline this seat. This is the most comfortable seat in the house when it's rotated. And I put my feet right here. So I have to have all this cavity open. So that means I have to have window blinds on the windows here. I can't just have a curtain, you know, right across here. That would totally negate all of this, what I have going on here. So let me show you what I do here. So I found this little compartment here that I found on the internet on our forum, and I went to work on it. It makes a perfect area. It's right here beside the sink. This little area is totally empty inside, so it holds all of my blinds. So let me do this. Let me take them out. Right here's all the blinds for the front. As you can tell, it's empty now. Holds a lot of space though. Let me get this set up. So that looks really good, doesn't it? Now let me rotate this seat so you can check it out. So what I like to do is pretty much put my boxers on, t-shirt, a little blanket right here, and I'll just sit right here and hang out. Look at on my iPad, look at YouTube, watch TV, and I'm telling you, these seats are a whole lot more comfortable than the seats that are stock. These are okay for a few minutes, but after a little bit of time, they're just not real supportive like these seats are. I'm gonna take you outside and show you that there's no light coming through this van at all. This isn't gonna be a real good test because there's a light right there, but of course this right here is the window that's open right there. But you can tell right there, there's nothing coming through there. Nothing up there. So if you try to get in the stealth mode, these are the window shades that you're going to want right here. I'm also going to leave a link in the description to the website and the exact color and everything that I got from my Echo in the description. So if you like it, you can click on it and go to it and buy it yourself. And if you don't mind, if you like this kind of content, I'm putting out content like crazy right now. In regards to the Winnebago Echo, I'm going to start back into doing some more content on the Revel soon. But if you would subscribe to my channel, I am really trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, hopefully by the end of this month. So y'all guys have a good night.